Welcome to the first part of our last lesson in the Level A1, the Prepositionen or the Prepositions. Today we will break down two essential categories: temporal prepositions, which help us talk about time, and local prepositions, which help us describe place and position. We will also look at how these prepositions work with the accusative and dative cases, so you can use them correctly and confidently in real communication. Let's get started with die Präpositionen or the prepositions in German language. What we will learn today: temporale Präpositionen, lokale Präpositionen, prepositions in accusative or Präpositionen in Akkusativ und Präpositionen in Dativ. This lesson will be divided into two parts. There are many prepositions in the German language. One of them are unten, nach, oben, von, bis, ohne, über, durch, entlang, zum, seit, am, neben, beim, gegen, ihm, hinter, ins, an, auf, ab, zu, bei, zur, mit, für, aus, vorne, unter, hinten, in, and vor, and much more. Zwischen. In the German language, there are prepositions that fall into only one case, for example, accusative or dative. These are prepositions for time and place, or it can fall into both cases, accusative and dative. These are prepositions for place only. How it is determined which preposition falls into which case? It depends on whether the verb expresses motion or a state of rest. For example, for accusative, if the verb expresses motion or indicates direction, the preposition can be in accusative. And also if the verb answers the question word wohin, or in English to where. Dative prepositions we have if the verb expresses a state of rest or indicates position, or with other words, if the verb answers the question word wo, or in English where. For example, in the left part we have verbs, in the right part some examples. Verben im Akkusativ: fahren or to drive, gehen, to go, fliegen, to fly, or kommen, to come. Verben im Dativ: sein or to be, stehen, essen, sehen, etc. For example, ich fahre nach Buchladen. This is the preposition nach in Akkusativ, or the preposition im in Dativ: ich bin im Buchladen. The first part we have temporale Präpositionen or temporal prepositions in accusative. Temporale Präpositionen in Akkusativ. In the left part we have preposition, in the middle translation in English or when it is used, and in the right part zum Beispiel or examples. First, the preposition The meaning is at or it is used before an exact hour. For example, 2 Uhr. Für, in translation for example, für 3 Minuten, for 3 minutes. Next, we have the preposition gegen, meanings around or against, gegen 17 Uhr. Über means about, over or more than. Über 15 Tage, about 15 days. If you want to watch the full version of this lesson, you can find the complete course German A1 Masterclass from 0 to A1 German with all 40 plus lessons on Udemy. The link is in the description below.